Hi designers, I'm going to share 10 typography tips to improve your designs. So this typography plays a very crucial role in the effectiveness of any design. It not only conveys information but also sets the tone and character of the design. So here I'm going to share 10 tips to enhance your design. First, choose the right typeface. Select typefaces that reflect the personality of your brand or project. A well-chosen typeface can significantly impact the design's mood and effectiveness. Hierarchy is key. So establish a clear hierarchy using different font sizes, weights, and styles. This guides the reader's eye through the design from the most important element to the least. Next, limit font varieties. Using too many typefaces can create a disjointed and confusing design. A good rule of thumb is to stick to 2 to 3 typefaces to maintain coherence. Contrast for readability. Ensure there is enough contrast between your text and its background. Poor contrast can lead to readability issues, staining the user's eye. Pay attention to spacing. Kerning, that's the space between characters, leading, the space between lines, and tracking, the overall spacing across a word, are all crucial for creating a visually pleasing and readable text. Align your text thoughtfully. Text alignment like left, right, center, or justified can affect the readability and appearance of your design. Left alignment is often the most legible for long text in languages. Next, it's important to understand the moods of fonts. So different fonts evoke different moods, different emotions, different feelings. For instance, serif fonts are often seen as traditional and reliable, while sans serif fonts are viewed as modern and approachable. Next, you should consider the context. The context in which the text will be read matters a lot. For example, body text on a website requires a legible, web-optimized font, while a logo or a heading can be more stylized. Responsive typography. With the rise of mobile devices, ensuring your typography looks great and is readable across all screen sizes is more important than ever. Use responsive units like EMS, REMS, and viewports for font sizes and line heights. Use a typographic scale. Employ a typographic scale to establish a harmonious hierarchy and rhythm in your text elements. Scales like golden ratio or modular scale can help create a pleasing proportion between different text sizes. So by incorporating these tips into your design process, you can significantly enhance the typographic quality of your project, making them more appealing, readable, and effective in communicating your message. So go ahead, integrate these typography tips into your design work and elevate the quality and effectiveness of your project. This will ensure that your typography is not only beautiful but also functionally optimized for user engagement and satisfaction.